this life, never ever think that you have arrived. At every point in your life, when you think you've made a growth or you've achieved a milestone, never settle for that level. Aspire for the next phase of your life. Why am I saying this? The truth is, if you actually think that you've arrived, when you get to a particular point in your life, that is going to stall you. But one thing is this: be consistent about being better than what you were yesterday, because that is what will keep your drive going. Aside that, another thing I want to say is this: some of us try so much to prove to other people that we have arrived. There is really nothing to prove, let me tell you, because I'm wondering why you are proving a point to anybody. You don't need to prove a point, and you don't need to show yourself for any reason. Why am I saying this? Life is in phases. Others may achieve greatness in their 20s, others may achieve in their 30s, others may achieve in their 40s, others may achieve in their 50s. Understanding that your own life is totally different from the other person is what keeps you going. So each and every day we compare ourselves with others on the internet space. One thing that you have to do is this: guard your heart with all diligence, because out of it are the issues of life. So if you have this problem with guarding your heart, you're going to run into a lot of problem and a lot of issues, because people are out there to put everyone under pressure. And that pressure can only come if you allow it. So that which enters a man is one of the things that can destroy a man. So let it be coming out of you, because the Bible said, out of my belly shall flow rivers of living water. Let what is coming out of you be that is flowing from a place of knowing, a place of abundance of the word of God, a place of satisfaction by the Spirit. Because some of the things that happen around you will piss you off. And that's the truth. People will get on your nerves, but one thing that I can assure you is this: calm down, calculate everything that is happening around you, and table it at the feet of Jesus. What am I saying? When you table it at the feet of Jesus, wisdom will come. Wisdom on how you're going to handle that. Wisdom on how you're going to navigate it. And again, remember, pray without ceasing. Because when you pray, a lot of things become clearer, and how you're going to handle some issues become more clear to you. So not praying will make you have different things going on in your head. And when you have many things going on in your head, you seem to make mistake, because choosing the one that works best now becomes more difficult. That is the reason why you need to pray and do what you ought to do. Remember, you are not here to prove a point for anybody. Have a nice day and enjoy your weekend. Thank you.